hope you guys liked my sort of winter pink blizzard look. I don't know what to call it. I always come up with the weirdest names. We'll be doing, actually, for a sort of ice queen photo shoot. I'm creating a big headpiece. Go on my blog and just follow me, and I cannot wait. I'm gonna be creating like such an amazing headpiece. It's literally gonna be like 1.5 meters tall, and also doing the body painting, the whole wardrobe. It's gonna be fun stuff. So I will make sure to keep you guys posted with videos, with pictures, behind the scenes. Don't blow away. Well, that is that, guys. The pink blizzard woman is out, and feel free to send me all your requests. I will make sure to do them all, creative and even, you know, natural sort of beauty sort of makeup looks. I can definitely tone it down a bit, okay? Alright, well, thank you so much, and make sure to join my blog on my website at aleksandrasartistry.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will be back. Bye.